What we're looking at now is the inferior aspect of the skull, and I'd like to go over the foramina here. Of course, we have our foramen magnum, and then our hypoglossal canal on either side. We have a large one here, which is our jugular foramen. Remember, what passes through the jugular foramen is cranial nerves 9, 10, and 11. That's 9, 9 is glossopharyngeal, 10 is vagus, and 11 is spinal accessory. 12 is for hypoglossal, that's the hypoglossal canal. We also have, between our mastoid process and our styloid process, that tiny little stylomastoid foramen through which cranial nerve 7 facial will exit. We have our carotid canal right here for the internal carotid artery. As we move up on either side of our sella turcica, we have our foramen lacerum. This is filled with cartilage, nothing goes through it. We have a tiny little foramen spinosum. Just anterior to that is our foramen ovale. You can see foramen rotundum. Let me show you how we do that. We're going to put our probe through on this side. Can you see it poking through?
Okay.
I'm going to make it move a little bit. Can you see that? The reason I show you this is for sake of completeness. We would not ask this on the exam from this point of view, but you can see different things from different points of view. One useful tool when studying is to take a pipe cleaner, this is why we have them on the table, to put it through a foramen. This is my jugular foramen here. Then turn your skull upside down and look at the same foramen from the other side. Here's my jugular foramen. Here's my foramen ovale. Here it is from the other side. So the same foramen will look different depending on which side you're on. Make sure you take the skull, put it in your hand, and move it around. The other thing I want to show you is the path of the internal carotid artery coming from the heart, going up. And remember, I'm going down because this is upside down. We have the internal carotid artery. It is going to go over foramen lacerum, making a 90-degree bend. It's going to go around and through the carotid canal and then enter the brain. So what it looks like is this. It comes down from the heart, goes across foramen lacerum, and then goes into the carotid canal. Okay, can we see that? And again, this is where the pipe cleaners can help you tremendously in your study of the skull.